Mobi Health, bringing loving care to health management. Did you know that 75% or 3 out of 4 people do not take their medicine as directed? Nearly 1,25,000 people die every year due to non-adherence. Non-adhering patients are more likely to be hospitalized than adhering patients. Medication adherence is higher among patients who see the same healthcare provider. Our health depends on taking medication on time, proper diet, tracking vital statistics, following instructions, and being informed. Mobi Health is a healthcare platform that provides the following facilities: search for a doctor, instructions reminder, appointment reminder, prescription and diagnostics on phone, multilingual, available in English, Hindi and Gujarati, caretaker and information sharing. All facilities are on basic phone too, and chat with doctors. Now let us go through the Mobi Health application together. Now you need to enter your mobile number to register yourself and create a password. Click on the login button. Once you click sign in, it will open the reception dashboard to enroll into Mobi Health. Now you can schedule an appointment by selecting patient's name or phone number. Enter the reason for booking an appointment. You can choose your language of notification. Please select the available time for appointment and click on the Book Appointment button. Now you need to check in patient to add in the queue for a patient who has arrived on the premises already. Here you can specify your hospital, clinic file number, address, city, email, gender, date of birth or age, and can change the language of the SMS notification and then click on yes. This patient is now added in the queue, and if the doctor has logged in, then it displays on the dashboard. Click on SMRX for patient queue. Click on patient name for which you want to generate the prescription. System will display all the sections of prescription, and you can now fill the details of prescription like family history, medical history, physical history, other details, etc. and save. You can go to any section and fill the data and then save. Click on examination and specify the patient issues, medical diagnosis and write your observations. You can now specify and order lab tests for the patient and then save it. You can choose your language of notification. And here is the instruction part. You can specify any particular instructions. This is the follow-up appointment section where you can specify patient follow-up. Here, the dietitian can add the diet plan for the patient. And you can also choose between multiple languages in Gujarati, Hindi or English. If a doctor wants to see the previous prescription, then he can click on the View button. Now you can see the health parameter graph and also specify the target of the blood sugar and BMI, etc. Plus, there are many other features useful for a doctor's clinical and patient management, enhancing medical practice and better patient engagement, as well as its 360-degree feedback system to educate, monitor, care and cure. Thank you and welcome to the world of Mobi Health, bringing loving care to health management.